could you ever imagine? With a single, artisanal blend of banana and chocolate batter, we can conjure two distinct, aromatic cakes using nothing more than a stovetop skillet and an air fryer. Welcome to the sanctuary of Cooking Tips 5S. When the craving for something sweet strikes, but the desire to avoid a chaotic kitchen persists, join me as we prepare these effortlessly convenient gourmet treats. Preparing the chocolate banana batter. We begin by gathering our pristine ingredients. 2 ripe, aromatic bananas to be crushed into sweetness, 200 grams of all-purpose flour, a small cup of rich cocoa powder, 3 farm-fresh eggs, a glass of unsweetened milk, a few decadent chocolate bars, and a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. In a generous mixing bowl, we mash the bananas until they reach a silken consistency. We introduce the eggs, whisking them into the fruit, then pour in the milk. Gradually folding in the flour and cocoa powder, we stir with rhythmic grace until the batter transforms into a velvety, deep chocolate mahogany. After warming the skillet with a whisper of olive oil, we arrange the banana slices across the base, creating a golden foundation before pouring our chocolate batter over them. We dot the surface with squares of premium chocolate. To ensure the heat remains perfectly cradled, we cloak the skillet in foil or simply secure the lid to create a gentle, enclosed sanctuary. Cooking over the lowest flame allows the cake to mature in texture with deliberate patience. After 30 minutes, we unveil our masterpiece. The chocolate has surrendered into a molten glaze, and the cake, a soft, fragrant cloud, awaits. The intoxicating perfume of chocolate and banana is truly sublime. This is best savoured while still warm. As for you, when crafting skillet cakes, do you prefer a gentle, slow heat to coax out a delicate tenderness, or a higher flame to achieve a beautifully caramelized, crisp edge? Share your preferences in the comments below with Cooking Tips 5S. Dish 2. Air-fried banana and chocolate bloom. With the remainder of our batter, we shall embrace a different technique, utilising the precision of the air fryer. We peel 2 bananas, slicing them longitudinally into elegant ribbons. We paint a silver tray of foil with a touch of unsalted butter, arranging our banana ribbons across the bottom before pouring the final measure of our chocolate batter on top. As a gesture of affection for this fruit, I artfully arrange a heart-shaped mosaic of sliced bananas upon the surface. Into the air fryer it goes, baking for 25 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius, 356 degrees Fahrenheit. cake that is soft, moist, and deeply imbued with the sweetness of banana and the profound richness of chocolate. From a single recipe, we have derived two unique experiences: the soft, pillowy comfort of the stovetop and the crisp, fragrant intensity of the air fryer. May your baking endeavours be met with success, and do not forget to follow Cooking Tips 5S as we uncover new, effortless culinary secrets together each day.